This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites so you won't stop later. Check Unity version, OS build, and that you have admin rights. Once done, install Unity Hub and the specific modules you need, and free at least 1/2 GB. Now create or open the project and add a new Start menu scene. Make sure to enable the scene in build settings so Unity can load it. Next, prepare a canvas and event system. These are essential to render interactive UI elements. You now construct the actual menu, add a canvas, then a panel for the menu background, and place buttons with text for entries. Once placed, use a vertical layout group or grid to keep spacing consistent. Set anchors so the menu scales across aspect ratios. Then write a menu controller script. Wire buttons to methods for open, close, and select. Use input system for keyboard/gamepad navigation. Make sure to test transitions and focus order, so navigation feels. Finish by integrating the Start menu with your game manager. Link scene transitions, save default selections, and test the menu at runtime. Add subtle animations and sound cues to improve feedback and verify responsiveness at 60 FPS. Make sure anchors keep layout stable. Once done, build a test player and confirm input on all target platforms. If things go wrong, first inspect the event system and ensure buttons are interactable. Then open the console for script errors. These fixes resolve most startup issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.